Haven't seen the sun so long, since the sky turned wrong. Now it's pouring so cold, please help my heart hold.
Ooh, it's raining inside, water drowning my light. So hard to fight the tide, need some shelter tonight. Little flowers never worry, as the waters hurry, going deep inside, flowing. It's good, they say, for growing. Where is the sun so cold? Just need someone to hold. Help me through this trial, help me see it's not final. Long to feel the warm beams, dry away these streams. Let my body, soul, thought heal my broken heart sore. Little flowers never worry, as the waters hurry, going deep inside, flowing. It's good, they say, for growing. Is it washing away hurts that steal my day? Is it cleansing water? When will it get hotter? Maybe one day in the water stay, but today feels like drowning, not at all like growing. Flowers never worry, as the waters hurry, going deep inside, flowing. It's good, they say, for growing. Help me, Lord, to beat the tide. Stay with me tonight, abide as it's raining in my heart. Need your help, my path charged. Say the words, let peace abide. Hold me close to your side. Help me triumph this night until I see the dawning light. Help me, Lord, to stop the worry, calm my beating heart. Hurry, if it's good for growing, then I'll trust, keep going.